Jackals are fond of these eggs, but this slippery shell is smooth as marble and very tough to handle. Millions of years of ostrich evolution have led to an egg that's just a little too big for this jackal to get its jaws around. Inside, there's over 3 pounds of food. It's so frustrating. But cruising over the Serengeti is a specialist. Egyptian vultures are always on the lookout for smooth white objects that no one else can deal with. For the vulture, an abandoned egg is a key source of protein. And the specialist has evolved a skill that ensures these eggs won't go to waste. Egyptian vultures are the only birds in the world to use stones as tools. This isn't exactly intelligence, more a pattern of instinct. But whatever it is, persistence is rewarded. And finally, there's a hole big enough for the bill to probe the membrane. As with every feeding opportunity here, it makes sense to eat as fast as possible before word gets out. News of this small event, no more than a cracked eggshell, has already spread across the savannah. It draws a tawny eagle. Worse is yet to come.